A day on the farm often involves a lot of hands-on work, and many hands at that. This means reaching for or touching the same tools, objects, or other surfaces throughout the day. These are called high-touch surfaces, and you will likely come into contact with them as soon as you get to work, whether it's opening a door, turning on the lights, or grabbing a cup of coffee. When many people share the same tools and objects, germs can spread easily. This is even more important to remember during the COVID-19 pandemic. COVID-19 is a disease caused by a virus. People can spread it very easily, even if they don't feel sick. When someone coughs, sneezes, or talks, their germs can spread out in the air. Others can get sick by breathing them in. Germs can also land on surfaces. When you touch them and then put your hands to your eyes, nose, or mouth, you could get sick. That's why you should always wash your hands before touching your face. There's a lot of information out there about COVID-19. All of the do's and don'ts can get confusing. There is some good news. Some of the most important steps you can take are simple, like cleaning and disinfecting. Clean hands keep germs from spreading. Soap and water can break down COVID germs and wash them away. To protect yourself and others, wash your hands well and wash them often. To do it right, you need to scrub your hands all over for at least 20 seconds. Then rinse, dry with a clean paper towel, shut off water with a paper towel, and throw it in the trash. If you can't wash with soap and water, use hand sanitizer. Just make sure it has at least 60% alcohol. Rub it in until your hands are dry. It is also important to clean and disinfect high-touch surfaces at work as well as at home. If a surface is dirty, you need to clean it first to get the dirt off. Use soap and water and scrub it with a sponge, brush, or cloth. If you wear reusable gloves, wash your hands before you put them on. Disinfecting means using chemicals to kill invisible germs on surfaces. There's a list of products that can be used against COVID-19. You can find it here. You can make a bleach solution to disinfect surfaces. Mix 1/3 cup of bleach with 1 gallon of water. Whenever you use a chemical, safety is important. Always read the label, wear the recommended protective equipment, and use only in areas where there's good airflow. Store chemicals, including bleach, out of the reach of children. To kill germs with bleach solution, you'll need to mix it fresh daily. And make sure the surface stays wet for 10 minutes. When you're done, carefully take off disposable gloves so you don't touch the outside. Wash reusable gloves with soap and water before you take them off. After removing your gloves, always wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. During the course of a workday, there are so many shared items you might touch. If you pick up germs from one, you can spread to another, including your phone. To disinfect your phone, the CDC recommends using wipes or spray that contain at least 70% alcohol. First, power it off and make sure it's not plugged in. Wipe surfaces with alcohol and make sure it's dry before you turn it back on. Remember, germs can spread easily on the farm. Clean and disinfect regularly to protect yourself and protect others.